Hi students, today we are going to discuss about terminating and non-terminating decimals. So first of all, terminating decimals. What is the terminating decimals? Terminating decimals are those numbers which come to an end after decimals point. For example, 25 by 4. 25 by 4 is a rational number. Any number which can be form of p by q, where p and q are integers, but q not equal 0. This is a rational number. Convert into decimals form. 25 by 4. Normal division 20 divided by 4. 4 6 are 24, remainder 1. Take decimals point 0. 4 2 are 8, remainder 2. Take 0. 4 5 are 20, remainder is 0. In this our remainder is 0 after some steps. 1, 2, remainder is 0. This is a terminating decimals. Another examples are 4.23, 3.65 and 2.82. This is a and the number. This is a terminating decimals. Next, discuss non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals are those numbers which keep on continuing numbers after decimals point. For example, 25 by 3. Convert into decimals form. 20 divided by 3. 3 8 are 24. 1. Take decimals point 0. 3 3 are 9. 1 0. 3 3 are 9 minus 1 0. In this remainder repeating after some steps. This is a non-terminating decimals. For example, 2.424242 and so on. Another example, 3.66666. Another example, 4.212121 and so on. These numbers also non-terminating decimals. Next, discuss non-terminating decimals are two types. First one is recurring decimals. Second one is non-recurring decimals. Recurring decimals means repeating numbers in non-terminating decimals. For example, 2.6666 and so on. 6 is repeating, or 2.6 bar. Another example, 3.525252. 52 is repeating number, or 3.52 bar. Bar means repeating number. Non-recurring means non-repeating numbers in non-terminating decimals. For example, root 2 equal 1.414211356. Difference not repeating numbers in non-terminating decimals. Another example, root 5 equal 2.23606 and so on. Different numbers are and not repeating. This is a non-requiring decimals. Next, discuss period and periodicity. What is period? Which numbers is repeating in non-terminating decimals is called as period. Next, what is periodicity? How many digits are repeating in non-terminating decimals are called periodicity. For example, 2.6 bar equal 2.6666 and so on. Which numbers are repeating? 6 numbers are repeating. Periodicity. How many digits are repeating? 6 number is digits are repeating. 1 digits are repeating. For example, another example, 3.52 bar equal 3.525252 and so on. Which numbers are repeating? Period. Five two numbers are repeating. Periodicity. How many digits are repeating? 2 digits are repeating.